Hey guys, Proco TV 503 here. Today I'm gonna be repairing a small roof patch. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, is not level with this floor, so it's accumulating water. I'm gonna be showing you the process, whatever I can record, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, after an hour of tearing this out, this is how it looks. I have decided that I'm only going to repair from this line to this line right here. Yes, but this is how it looks right now. In a little bit, I will show you how it looks when I put the flashing and the plywood. Okay, so we're now putting the roofing, the shingles. This is how it looks. We got some of this. Very useful. Okay, that's the flashing right there. We put that black stuff right there, and that's how it looks. This is temporary, guys. All right, guys, so after a few hours of working under the sun and everything, we managed to complete the job. So pretty much I used the rest of the roof patch to seal all possible gaps. I used 2 gallons. This is it, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope this could be useful for you as an idea on how to repair a quick roof patch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll be reading y'all.